For the sixth look, we had Ashley come in. I did handmade mega volume fans and handmade volume fans on her. This set really forced me to focus on creating a solid transition from volume to mega volume. I started by doing handmade volume fans on the inner corner. Then I slowly transitioned into my handmade mega volume fans. So her inner corners were just strict volume, and then about 2/3 to the very outer corner of her eye were full mega volume.
As we know, traditional hybrid includes classic and volume. Well, what about volume and mega volume? That's a great mixture for your clients who, again, want the fluff but aren't ready to fully commit. It's the perfect bridge to lead your client into that full mega volume look, one step at a time.